The next piece of equipment we are going to introduce you to is the Rotary Stand. The Rotary Stand must only be used for a service user who has capacity and does not have mobility issues, just needs some additional support. This piece of kit can be used with one carer or in some cases a second carer. Place the Rotary Stand towards the individual, placing their foot on the white tongue which is used as the brake, ensuring that the feet are in the grey boxes at the bottom of the Rotary Stand. Ask the individual to place their hands on the bottom bar of the Rotary Stand. Using the command ready, steady, stand, ask the individual to stand to their feet. Once the service user has stood up, then the carer needs to release their foot off the brake and slowly turn the Rotary Stand to the correct position.